हाय सुपर पेरेंट्स, आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको एक सिंपल रेडी रेफरेंसर दे रही हूँ जो कि फोनिक्स साउंड्स का है। मैं सिंपली आपको ए से जेड तक फोनिक्स साउंड बताने वाली हूँ। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज ए एंड द साउंड ऑफ ए इज ए लाइक इन एप्पल। दिस इज बी लाइक इन ब, butterfly, b. C, the sound of C is k, caterpillar. The sound of D is d, dinosaur, dinosaur, d. E, and the sound of E is e, egg, elephant, e. F, and the sound of F is frog. G, the sound of G is g, like in goat. H, the sound of H is h, or to simplify you can say h, hat. The sound of I is E, like in insect, E, like in ink pot, E. This is J, and the sound of J is J, like in jug, like in jam, J. Next we come to K, and the sound of K is again K, like in kite. Next we come to L. The sound of L is L, or to simplify you can simply say L, like in lion. This is M, and the sound of M is M, like in mango, mango. This is N, and the sound of N is N, nest. This is O, and the sound of O is aw, orange, aw. This is P, and the sound of P is p, parrot, p. Next we come to Q, and the sound of Q is qua, queen, qua. Next we come to R, and the sound of R is R, or R, or R. Next we come to S, and the sound of S is S, snake, school. Next we come to T, and the sound of T is T, tent, like in tiger. Next we come to U. The sound of U is umbrella, up, umpire, Next we come to V, and the sound of V is W. Now we come to W, and the sound of W is water, W. Next is X, and the sound of X is x, like in Xmas. The next alphabet is Y, and the sound of Y is yak, y. The last of the alphabets, that is Z, and the sound of Z is z, just like a bee buzzes, z, zip, zig, zag. So these were the 26 sounds of the English alphabets. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.